You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight.
Yan nga guys is day 2 morning ng aking paglalagay ng gamot. Abangan nyo pa ang aking mga videos. Thank you for watching.